Our family loves to get off the pavement as much as possible. So you biking parents know that I've really been looking forward to the youngest MMBiT hitting single track with her pedal bike for the first time.
Doing great, Miss Al.
But aside from a ribbon of natural dirt and maybe some roots and rocks, what makes a ride a real mountain bike ride? Well, for us, a real mountain bike ride guarantees seeing things that we just don't see in our neighborhood.
Is that pretty cool?
Super cool. That was super cool.
Yeah.
The tractor. And they can
You want to lead out, Greg?
sides up for the mower part.
It also means we generally work a little harder and earn more treats. Which reminds me of berries in the spring. Yum! But mostly we just look at the plants and fungi.
That makes me go lucky bugs.
I know!
That's a wildlife, so don't eat that one.
True, true.
Another classic is encounters with wildlife, big and small.
Oh, that's a big snake.
Yeah, I'm well aware that was harmless and not very big. But I'm in charge of keeping all my little critters safe, and it surprised me.
Oh, surprising.
Then there's the things where the surprise comes later.
Oh, you want me to catch them all?
No, I want Allie.
She's too short. I'm going to be the one getting them in the face. Yeah, good job. Look ahead. Yes, very good. Good job, Al. Look at you on your first trail.
Look at that spider I didn't know was crawling all over my head. If I can avoid getting a spider webbed directly across my glasses, though, that's a win.
Homeward bound. Oh, yeah. Way to go, Al.
Go this way. Let's go. I did it.
But the best part of a trail ride is always the feeling of just being able to soar through the natural surroundings.